Hello and welcome again. This is Sam from Max Alternative. Mailwizz is one of the best email marketing platform at the moment. If you're doing cold emails, cold outreach, you need this right away. So today we are going to look at Mailwizz Autoresponder. How does it work and how efficient is it? So I am in Mailwizz platform. I have done previous videos on Mailwizz. You may want to check them out. Today we are solely focusing on autoresponder. So you may want to, you just come here. These are the lists. These are the campaigns. You come to autoresponder, and then you want to create new, give it a name, and then you want to choose your list. You save and next. Here you're going to put in the from name. How do you want the recipient to see your where the email is coming from, the from email and the reply to email, and then for the subject line is, and I've always proposed, always ensure that you have random content features in your subject line, so that it can rotate various subject lines. It really helps in deliverability. And then you may want to say there's nothing much to do here unless you want more details, and then you can save and next. And then you may want to choose your template. For instance, let me pick one of the template. Let me choose this one for instance, and then save and next. All right, now this is where the real deal when it comes to autoresponder happens. Number one, the first question is, at what time do you want to send it? Do you want to send it immediately or a little bit later? The second question you're being asked is, at what time should the campaign start? I usually recommend sending emails during the day or early in the morning. So you may say something like you want your campaign to start from 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. for instance. 6 a.m. is better. So you scroll down here, 6 a.m. And the other question you're being asked is, for how long? From 6 a.m. How long should it run? I would say 12 hours. And then the autoresponder event. Now, what is the event that will trigger this autoresponder? For instance, is it after people have subscribed to your list? Or also part of subscription is if you have manually added that list, include imported subscribers? Or is it when a profile has been updated? Or is it when a campaign is opened or a campaign is sent? So after subscribe means immediately people are added to the specific list which you have chosen, and you have also added the imported subscribers. In case you're not using opt-in, you manually do it. It will trigger that campaign to start running immediately. And it runs immediately if your autoresponder time value here is 0. At times you may want to say, I want, after the list has been added, let the autoresponder be triggered after maybe 1 day or an hour or anything of that kind, or at a specific time later in the future. So that is how the autoresponder bit works. And also include current subscribers. Here I would say no. Reason being, if you have already sent the first, if you have list A and you have triggered this specific autoresponder, if you add an extra list, because that the email had already been sent to the previous list. So you only want to ensure that you're only sending to the people who you have added to that list only, but not to the previous people who are in that list. I hope that one is a little bit clear. In case there's something that is not clear, you can always reach me out via the contacts in the description. Here at Max Alternative, we help clients get more clients using email marketing systems. So we set up email marketing systems for you, so you can always reach us out anytime. The other item that we have here is the open. Send this autoresponder after the campaign has been opened. So you realize that after a specific after you have sent a specific campaign and it has been opened, you want to say if there are people who have opened a specific campaign. For instance, you had a campaign A, you sent an email, people have opened, so you want to trigger this specific campaign and only send to people who opened your email. So that is when you choose open. The other option you have is sent. So how sent works is you had already started a certain campaign. So what you want to do is after that campaign has been sent, you want to send a second email or a consecutive email to the same list. So and you're saying after it has been sent, maybe send the next email after 3 days or 4 days or 7 days, for instance. So Mailwizz does not have other options when it comes to autoresponders. But if you're running core email campaigns, you will realize that these are actually just enough to get by. So after you're done with choosing your event trigger, and then you can click here, save and activate. So choose sending campaign. Here there is another prompt that you've been given. If you have chosen send after this campaign, this is you're saying after which campaign is sent or after which campaign is opened. So you may want to clarify that. So that is why you're getting these prompts here. I hope this one has been insightful. In case of any query, drop us a message, Telegram, WhatsApp, email, or Skype. We are always there for you and we respond fast. So thank you so much. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe and like the video and share widely. That is how we will grow the channel together. See you on the next one. Bye for now.